Buganda was not, we didn't perform well. So they came how we can bring back NRM from the grassroots to the top in Buganda.
Former vice chairperson LC5, ndi mukyala mulimi.
Mulaba NRM tebagala mulime mwanyi mu Buganda. Also talked about emyoga. At the first of it, when the emyoga people are talking, you may think they are going to be giving me monthly reports. Then I compile and write.
So the points you raised, coffee seed. The problem was caused by that. Omwaka guno zino sente ozewole n'olwekyo abalimi n'abalunzi buli muluka mukole ekibiina kyammwe tubasirikire sente butereevu so that you are the ones who buy for yourselves.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.